Have you ever seen Stab?
Once, I think.
Do you remember the beginning?
Not really. I mean, it started with the kill scene, right? They always started with the kill scene.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. It's a girl at home, alone. She answers a wrong number and starts talking with the killer, who makes her play a game. Would you like to play a game, Tara?
Wait! Please help us! We were just call 911!
There's a fucking line here, girl!
He's trying to kill us! I'm telling you, sir!
You got a problem here, guy?